Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create 2D column chart in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a data, order ID and total price. So to create 2D column chart, simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and select here entire data. Then go to the insert tab in charts group, have a first option is a column chart. Just click on this drop down arrow and here you can see the 2D column and 3D column. So I select the 2D column. There are three types of 2D column is available. You just keep cursor it and you can see the preview of the chart in Excel. So select the chart those you want and just click on it. That's it. Here you can see the chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. So the chart design tab you can use for the design your chart. So in chart style there are different type of style is available. Just click on this drop down arrow and you can see there are different type of style available. When you keep cursor on it, see the changes on this chart. Select the style those you want. So I just click on this style and that's it. Here you can see the chart style is changed. Okay, so this is the way you can create the 2D column chart in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.